Good morning, children. This is Srivatsa speaking. Children, as we are over with the maths NCRT book, so far we have completed the chapter mensuration. All the sums from the chapter mensurations we have done. So here in this video, we are going to understand some more questions on mensuration from the book R.S. Agarwal. So here the exercise is 20A, exercise 20A, and some very important question which I have chosen to explain, that is question number 6. So let's we start understanding question number 6. So here there is the question is given that find the cost of carpeting a room 13 meter by 9 meter width, a carpet of width 75 centimeter at the area at the rate of 105 per meter, rupees 105 per meter. So children, there is a room. I need to draw a room first. The room of course is in rectangular shape because the dimensions are given. Dimensions of this room is length is 13 meter, length is 13 meter and the breadth is 9 meter, breadth is 9 meter. A carpet of width 75 centimeter, a carpet of width 75 centimeter at the rate of rupees 105 per meter square, per meter. Okay. So here is one carpet of width 75 centimeter. So width of a carpet is 75 centimeter. Suppose this is a carpet which is within the room. Okay. The carpet is, width of the carpet is 75 centimeter. So naturally children, we need to understand this one. As there is no length of the carpet is said, that means the length of the carpet is 13 meter only. 13 meter is the length of the carpet and the breadth is 75 centimeter. Children, we know that meter and centimeter, the calculations for area doesn't work. We need to convert all the dimensions into the same unit. So here the breadth of the carpet is 75 centimeter. So I'll have to make it in meter. So it will come 0.75 meter. Meter to centimeter to meter conversion comes, we have to divide it by 100. So children, the process of carpeting the room will find out in such a way. The length is 13 and the breadth is 75. Okay, breadth is 75. Let us find out the area of the whole room first. Area of the room is equal to length into breadth. Length is 13 and breadth is 9, comes 117 meters square. This is the area of the room. Now let's find out the area of the carpet. Area of the carpet is length into breadth. Length is 13 and the breadth is 0.75. Now we can simply multiply it by removing the point, where we'll get 100. 75 into 13 comes how much? 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 will be carried, 2 to 5, then 5 and 7. Let's we add 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 975 by 100 comes 97.5 meters square. This is the total area of the carpet. Now children, in the question it said that per meter cost is rupees 105. Okay, per meter square cost is 105. Then we can simply say the total cost of carpeting, the total cost of carpeting or carpet is equal to area I got 97.5. 97.5 should be multiplied with the cost, which is for per meter is 105. is 105. So just we'll have to multiply with 105. I'm removing the point, I'm getting 10. 5, like we could have, you know, remove the cancellations. Without cancellations only we can solve it. We can multiply 975 with 105. Whatever will come, we'll just divide it by 10, and that we will write in cost. It will come in rupees. So I'm leaving this part on up to you all. You will calculate this one, 97.5 into 105, and you will write the answer for this question. So next question which we can, you know, solve for this one is room number, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Question number 8 is very interesting, I find. Question number 8 is about the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land at the rate of in the ratio of 5:3. It's a rectangular piece of land. The ratio is 5:3. Length is 5, x, breadth is 3x. Because if you consider the total distance as total length as x, then the length will be 5x, breadth will be 3x. Right now, fencing is cost around 20 rupees per meter. Its total cost is 9,600. If the total cost of fencing is 9,600 and 1 meter cost is rupees 24, then just by simply dividing, we can get the perimeter. 4 4s are 16, 6, 4 2s are 8, 1, 9. So 4 24s are 400. 400 meter is the perimeter of this rectangular plot. Okay, perimeter I got, that's 400. How did I get it, children? Just by dividing 9,600 with 24, we got the perimeter. Now simply by applying the formula that 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into length plus breadth is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So 2 into length means how much, children? Just now I got, that is 5x, breadth is 3x, and perimeter I got 400. So 2 into 5 plus 3, 8x equal to 400. Now 8x equal to 400 divided by 2, it comes 200. Now x equal to 200 by 8, 200 by 8 comes 8 2s are 16, 4, 5, 25. The value of x comes 25. Value of x comes 25. So naturally, children, if the value of x comes 25, then what is the meaning of the length? Length is 5 into 25 means 125, and breadth comes how much, children? 3 into 25 comes 75 meter. So 125 meter is the length and 75 meter is the breadth. I believe my explanation is clear. You will try out these questions in this way. If you face any difficulties, feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day.